Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Good Brothers YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at another one of our Spanish producers, which we import, Vega Aixalà. Now these guys are based up in the Montsant, which is in the northeast of Spain, an area that circles around the caldera of Priorat, an iconic wine growing region. Vega Aixalà was rejuvenated in 2003 by Eva, taking on her family's vineyards. She works totally naturally, without use of any fertilizers, chemicals. She uses clay amphores in the winery, all indigenous yeast. Fantastic winemaking practices. Really, really beautiful, and we're so proud to have them in the UK market. Vega Aixalà Brutal Roussanne. This is Roussanne from Vega Aixalà's vineyards up in the Montsant. It is a fantastic wine. Bit of skin contact here. Vines are at 17 years old, so fairly young vines, quite prolific in what they produce, but they harvest, or green harvest quite a lot, so they reduce the yields. This is aged for 3 months in clay amphora, so we have a little bit of oxidation coming through, which gives a bit more richness to the palate, but still fresh acidity. Lots of peachiness, lots of fresh and vibrant flavors coming through. Absolutely brilliant. Totally natural, indigenous yeast, no fining, no filtering, so we've got that haze to it. It's a crackingly good wine. Vega Aixalà Carignana. Now this is Carignan from the north of Spain again, the Montsant region, made by Vega Aixalà. It is a fantastically soft and supple style of wine, aged for 7 months in clay amphora, so it's got a huge amount of aging, a lovely sort of soft oxidation to it as well. It's really supple on the palate, beautifully light. Try this with things like lamb leg, slight herb to it. The sort of herbiness and the herbaceousness of the wine will come through, absolutely cracking. Vega Aixalà Vilanova de Prades Red. This is a red wine from Montsant that is made from two different varietals, Marselan and Carignan. It is made in concrete vat and then aged in oak barrels, French oak. And it is a lovely, big, warm, rich style of wine. Lots of spice coming through. It's got a black sort of plumminess to it. Spontaneous fermented, no fining, no filtering. As with all of the Vega Aixalà wines, it's totally natural in how it's made. And it's just absolutely brilliant. Vega Aixalà Syrah. Now this is the biggest wine to come out of the Vega Aixalà winery. It's big, it's rich, it's tannic. It is fantastic Syrah. So it's aged for 7 months in 1,000 litre amphoras, clay, and also 1,000 litre barrels, old oak, American. It's big, it's rich, it's got a huge amount of sort of leatheriness coming through. It's a phenomenally good Syrah with backbone of spice and silky tannins. This is a cracking bottle of wine. Head across to Good Brothers to Go, you'll find it there.